Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Patriot software step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type Patriot software into the search bar and press enter. Click on the official Patriot software website link that appears in the search results. Once the website loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. In the next field, enter your password. If you would like to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. Review your entries for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your account dashboard. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. After resetting your password, return to the login page. Re-enter your email address and new password to access your account. You are now logged into Patriot software. Explore the features available to manage your accounting needs efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.